Kara and I are just anxiously waiting the visitors. You know what you always do before a video? You do a booger check. But thanks for showing up again. You had a choice and we appreciate it. You made the right one. You did a good thing. Very good. But to set up what you're going to see is customer clients.
Sure.
Came over because Kara did a painting for them. The main guy, Ron, he knew all about it because he set it up. Although his wife, Dati, she had no idea what was going on. And
she was cute.
It was funny. I'm sure she was more surprised than anything, especially since they drove her from Chicago to the middle of nowhere.
Can't even get groceries.
Nope, we can't even get groceries over here. We're too far gone. Since we knew all about it, since everybody knew about it except for, of course, Dottie, the wife, I had secret cameras set up everywhere. I had some that weren't doing anything just to show that there's cameras in the house so they'd get comfortable with it. Before we did the videos, we asked permission first. Because we're nice people. We do that. And that was all Kara's idea. But usually when people come over to check out our stuff, we always give them a house tour because our house is our biggest art project. So we usually start off usually in the garage a little bit. That's downstairs. Yep, there's downstairs. And then we go through the house, we take them upstairs, show them all the little things that we built and do, and they're ooh and ah, and we're oh and ee. And then after that, there's just two places left to go. One was the wood shop in the barn, and one was upstairs where the painting was hiding. So we went through the wood shop, it's a wood shop in a barn, so people are either really impressed or really disgusted. But either way, it was fun. And then we came up here and we're showing them all around, and the Ron guy, he knew where the painting was, but Dottie, she had no clue about anything. So what you're about to see is, at the end of the tour, they're coming up here to see the actual painting, the whole reason that they showed up.
MC.
I wonder what he was thinking the whole time.
Oh.
Because when they went up to the last location, I tried to like block her view a little bit.
I noticed.
Look at that one over there.
What? Oh, is that why you want it?
But then Ron would say, well, what do you think of that one back there? And then I kind of sidestepped. And I'm like, oh, here we go.
I thought it was just going to happen naturally. Well, let's go back down.
That's what I thought. I thought they were going to kind of make a loop.
Wow, look at the eyes.
Oh, yeah.
Wow.
And that's your quilt.
Yeah?
Because she didn't say anything at first, and, you know, that always freaks you out.
Yeah.
But then she says, oh, the eyes, they look better than mine. And I'm like, oh, my God.
I wonder why he wanted a picture of me.
I was hoping she wouldn't put it together, you know?
Would have been funny if she didn't even notice it. Yeah, it's okay.
Yeah.
Just keep walking. Then all three of us look at each other. Oh.
I did aim the lights at it.
Thank you. Happy anniversary. Yeah. Oh.
One of the funny things I liked was she goes, all these secrets.
Yep.
Because I said happy anniversary, and she looks at her husband. Oh, you know, like, how do they know?
Yep. The deception was thick today.
Oh, he did a good job.
And I think when I was trying to take some photos, you go, I better not see that on the wall.
we were sweating back and
So
forth.
then I told her, let's do it only like 16 by 20, because
Or even smaller.
If I did something any bigger than that, you would have told me.
Oh, my face.
She was sending me progress shots.
You guys, how would
It's been a while. Yeah, I'd get progress photos.
and you wouldn't tell me.
I didn't. Well, I wanted it to be a surprise, buddy.
Good job. It's a secret club.
I wanted it to be a surprise.
Well, yeah, we're good. We're glad.
Good.
Yes.
We're gonna take it home.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
It's yours.
It's ours.
Why?
It's yours.
Don't you have to photograph?
We did that yesterday.
We did it already.
That's going to be one of the YouTube videos. She loved the painting, but then she found out that it's her painting.
Huh.
It kind of seemed like she's like, oh, that's nice painting. It'll look good in your house.
Like, no, it's yours.
I get to take it home. But overall, good day.
Mm-hmm.
Happy customers.
Yes.
Happy artists.
Yes. Felt successful.
Mm-hmm.
Felt like we did something good.
Felt like a good day.
Yes.
Successful day.
Mm-hmm.
Thanks for watching, everybody.
Oh, wait. You gotta thank somebody.
Oh, thank you, Ron and Dottie.
Thank you for the shirts, too.
Yes, thank you for the shirts.
And thank you, Rafi, for making the shirts.
Thank you to
Rafi
Rafi
and Cleve.
The Rafi Coons Cleve.
We gotta get your head checked.
Anyways, thanks for watching, everybody. Hope you enjoyed our little video on the portrait painting. See you next time. Bye. My knees are up.
My knees aren't up as much as yours are.
Bug up.